Hello everyone, Oscar from Jimi IoT. Today I'd like to introduce our new debugging tool for dashcams, the WiFiKit. WiFiKit is an operation and maintenance app designed to ensure the correct installation and usage of our dashcams, as well as to quickly analyze and resolve any issues. This app is useful across various scenarios and can be used by different personnel. It can be used by installation engineers to help them find the optimal install position and capture angle through live video feed. For AI-capable dashcams, this app facilitates fast AI algorithm calibration. It can be used by warehouse or technical personnel and help with pre-shipment configuration, given that different clients and projects may require different configuration, and that the software versions used may also vary. This app enables quick parameter configuration, software upgrade, and parameter check, ensuring each device operates correctly. It can also be used by maintenance personnel and help with after-sales problem solving. If a problem arises with a dashcam and requires on-site assistance, the technical staff can use this app to access the current status of a dashcam and troubleshoot effectively. If a problem can't be resolved on-site, the app enables the collection of device logs nearby to be sent to our team for further analysis. The app also proves invaluable during device testing, allowing for swift understanding and verification of device functions indoors. We believe WiFiKit will help reduce operational costs and enhance user experience. Having introduced the main applications of this app, let's address a few common questions. This app is now available on App Store and Google Play. You can download it directly through the app stores or by scanning the QR code on screen. Currently, WiFiKit supports English, Chinese Simplified, Spanish, and Portuguese. The app display language aligns with your mobile device system language. If your system language isn't one of the supported languages, the default language will be English. All of our dashcams are designed to be compatible with the app, provided that the software version of your device is on the list. As WiFiKit is mainly aimed at technical personnel rather than end user, it is designed from neutral perspective without options for customization. This video offers just a glimpse into WiFiKit. We will delve into more detailed features in future videos. Bye for now.